Hello, I'm Rodney Grounds with Robopac USA. We're filming today from our showroom outside of Atlanta in Duluth, Georgia. Today I wanted to bring to your attention a machine that we have available for immediate delivery. It's our Sotemapack WA wraparound case packer. This machine is designed to run up to 20 cases per minute. Currently we have this machine set up to run carton products. If you have products that are in cartons, we can pack these in any configuration up to 20 cases per minute. If you're currently hand packing because you're afraid you don't have room in your factory, this solves that issue. The Sotemapack WA is only 10 foot by 12 foot footprint, so it fits in even the tightest spaces. If you're currently packing into an RSC case, you're probably doing one of two things. Either you're manually erecting the cases, so that means you're going to have poor case quality, and it's a big labor drain. Or you have a case erector, then you're going to case pack by hand, and then it's going to go from the hand packing station to a third machine, which is the case sealer. So you're going to have a long line with a lot of human intervention. You're also going to have a case that has to be slightly oversized from your product that's going into the case, just where it can be easily loaded from the top. You're going to have to use a thicker wall of corrugate, and you're going to have excess corrugate in the box because you have the 4 flaps on the bottom, the minors and the majors, and the 4 flaps on the top. The alternative is the wraparound case. The wraparound case is going to allow you to save corrugate because you don't have all the flaps. You're going to be able to use a thinner corrugate, and you're going to have a tighter case because you don't have to have extra room in the case to make it easy to top load your package. What does that mean? It means you're going to have better and more stable palletization. The wraparound case is a better case design. The WA allows you to accomplish this in a small footprint at a reasonable price. If you need to automate your case packing and you need a small footprint, you need to reduce your corrugate consumption while still having a better packed product, and most importantly, if you need immediate delivery, contact us at the information below.